Here is my beautiful model of today, and I can't wait to transform her. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do small knotless open braid. As you can see here, you start off by braiding the person's own natural hair. Do that 3 times before you start incorporating the hair, and make sure that you do it in very little pieces. As you can see here me doing in the video, you have to make sure that every piece you grab, you hold it on tight so that it doesn't slip, and it gives it a very smooth looking finishing. And as you add the pieces, they should be a little bit bigger. Make sure you do that 3 times before you braid downward. If you don't understand the process, feel free to go back again and take a look at what I'm doing, and make sure that if you're just starting off, use a gel or a wax like the one I have on the wristband. I'm using red one wax. That helps to make my results very flawless and looking all crisp and clean. If you're here for the first time, make sure that you subscribe. I do hairstyles on myself as well, but most of the time when I do hair on others, you can find it on my YouTube shorts. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button, for you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming videos. My channel is all about fashion as well, lifestyle vlogs. And if you love what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I have so many other hairstyle tutorials, you can check it out as well. And just stay tuned and keep on watching. And here is the final result, guys. This is how open braids look like. Open braids is all about braiding the hair halfway and making sure that you make the curls to pop at the end. So normally it has to look like beach waves. If you want a tutorial on how to do this particular curl pattern, make sure you comment down below. But it's the same principle that applies to mermaid braids. I have a tutorial on mermaid braids. The difference is just that on mermaid braids you have the curls popping out on the body of the braids as well, but on open braids it's just the ends. And as you saw earlier, I made sure that I moisturize her braids as well. I always make sure that I moisturize the braids of my clients to keep their natural hair hydrated, and also it gives the braids this sleek looking finish. And I am here trimming the ends to give it that executive look. If you love it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Here is the full detail of how the hair looks like. And I am going to throw to y'all an extra tip on how to maintain these curls. The key is moisturization. You want to take a piece size of whatever moisture or hydrated cream you've got. You mix it with a little bit of water, and it gives it that bomb look. So I'm just going to show you all again how she looked like before and the after result. Do you like it? If you want to stay tuned, keep on watching such hair transformation videos, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button, for I do it as you like it. Don't forget to check out my hair page on Instagram as well at Z Hair Club. Thank you all for watching.